Hi everyone, it's WebTech Guide once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free website with a free hosting and a free domain name. So it is a very simple process and very easy steps. All you need to do is to stay with me to the end and watch this video to the end, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. So open your web browser and go to infinityfree.com. This website is actually a web hosting company, and it has been existing for a very long time. It has been existing for a very long time. So you're gonna get free hosting and a free domain name, so you don't need any money to get started. So after going to this website, click on sign up now, and you input your email address and input your password. So click here, create new profile. Okay, so the next step is that we're going to verify our email address. Navigate to your Gmail account. So you will see it right here and click on verify email address. Agree. So now that it has been verified, you can create up to 3 websites, 3 domain, and the next step is that we're going to create an account. So click here. So you can use their subdomain, or you can use a custom domain name, .com domain or any custom domain name. You can use it, but let me just go with this. You can see you can use any of this actually. So let me just write WebTech Guide, and let's check the availability. So it is available, and okay, the account password, create account. Okay, now that the account has been created, open your control panel. Now the next step is that we are going to access our cPanel, and we are going to install WordPress, or if you want to use any other website builder, you can just use it, or CMS or anything. So click on I approve and scroll down. So this is your cPanel, and you can choose to create any kind of website with it. If it's a PHP website, you can just upload your PHP scripts via the file manager right here. Or if you want to use WordPress, PHP PP, and many other CMS platforms that you can use actually. So navigate to your Softaculous apps installer and click on it. You can see here something went wrong. Please allow 20 minutes, then retry. The reason is that we just created the website, so we are going to leave it for some minutes for it to start working. So I'm going to retry this after 20 minutes. So let me try this again. Let me try to refresh this. Okay, as you can see that it's already working. So if you want to install any CMS, there's WordPress, Joomla, PHP, BB, SMF, MyBB, and Laravel, many of them. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with WordPress. So click on install and choose this, and your name, can just write your site name and your description, then your admin username, and just go with this password. So click on install. So this will finish loading in some seconds. Okay, so the software was installed successfully. You can check your website here. You can see that your website is already live, and you can also log into your admin dashboard right here. So you can see, let me refresh this. Okay, so this is your dashboard, and you can see that your website is empty. So if you want to create a website that it won't be empty like this, the first step is that we are going to change the theme. Go to your appearance and click on it. So you see themes, the themes that we have. These are the themes that we have, and we are going to add a new theme. So you can either choose from the list of themes right here. Let me refresh this. So you can see the list of themes that you can use, or you can upload the custom theme here. So let me just go with any of them. So let me choose this Cadence theme and click on install. So you can see that the Cadence theme has been installed. The next step is that we're going to activate it. Click on activate. Okay, so it has been activated. Now the next step is that we are going to install the starter templates. Click here. So when you click on the starter template, we get this page. So choose a builder. Let me just choose Elementor builder. Okay, so you can see the list of some amazing templates right here that you can use. You can just choose any one of them. These are for pro version, these are free version. So let me go with this. As you can see, the website is okay. So you can change the color. You can change the color to anything that you want. Let me just go with this. So this is okay, and you can also change the font and click here, full size. Okay, so this will automatically install all the required plugins that is needed for this template to start running perfectly. Okay, as you can see that the website has been installed, the template has been installed on your website. So let us check out our website. So this is how your website is going to look like. You can change the colors, the text, and everything. If you know how to use Elementor, just click on edit with Elementor and change the text, the colors. You will see the options to do that, and you will see all the tools that you can use there. So don't forget to like this video once again and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also you can also drop some comment below if you have any questions, or you want me to make any kind of video. Just drop your comment below. Thanks for watching this video.